Hi everyone! In Brave Little People, we're getting ready for Halloween. Do you want to get ready with us? Yes? Okay, so today we're gonna make a craft. We're gonna make this pumpkin lantern. Do you want to make it with us? Yes? Okay, so let's see the materials and all the steps. We're gonna see the materials we need to make the pumpkin lantern. We need orange cardboard, green cardboard, ruler, a pencil, a black marker, scissors, and a glue stick. The first step, we have to bend a cardboard, an orange cardboard. When we've got it, we have to take the ruler and we have to measure 1.5 centimeters with the cardboard bended. Okay, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, and so on. When we've got it, we have to make lines, okay, this way, lines. But we have to leave 5 centimeters and we're not gonna cut this part, okay? Then we have to make the same with the other part of the cardboard. When we've got it, we're gonna draw the pumpkin face. We need one eye, the other eye, the nose, and the mouth. And when we've got it, when we've got the face, we're gonna bend it again, and with the scissors, we're gonna cut. Remember not to cut this part. The next step, we're gonna bend like this. Can you see? It looks like a lantern. We're gonna take the glue and we're gonna put a little bit to paste both parts. 1 and 2. Let's paste it. Wow, can you see? Okay, the next step is to put here a piece of green cardboard. So we're gonna leave a lantern, we're gonna take the green cardboard and cut. Don't worry about the centimeters. Okay, when you've got it, you take it and we're gonna paste. Let's put a bit of glue here, and let's put it in our pumpkin lantern. Okay, and when we finish the last step, we've got it. Can you see it? It's amazing.